I'm now in Evan Hill near East Triggs, rig. So here we have a site we don't see very often. We have two combines, two Massey Ferguson work together. That's quite an age. I filmed the faraway one last year, and as far as I'm aware, this one here is try before you buy, from Justice Town down near Carlisle there. So I got a message from George to say they're both working together, so I've made my way down here tonight, which is good. So I was in earlier on there, and this is a Massey Ferguson 27, and the faraway one is a 307, it's the older one there. So just an excellent. Now today I'm back to video this combine I've filmed a few times in the past, and here it's been unloaded straight into the trailer running alongside here. So we'll see the making, well, we know it's a Claas, we know it's a Massey Ferguson, but we'll see it when we get closer. I made the usual mistake not having my mic on earlier on there, so that was that, not so good. So here the Massey comes. I'll probably need to stand. Oh, it should be okay actually. That should be fine. Ian himself, Ian coming. So it is. It's a 6150. That's it here. So it is. Ian doesn't like to be filmed up close, so I'll just let him go there. Always try and respect people. Don't want to be filmed, we don't want to be filmed. And as much as I can, I'll try and keep them out of it there. So I would imagine there'll be a lot of combines in the area working today. Saturday it's been. Obviously dry today. How you doing? How's things? Alright, that's fairly good. We can drop a barrel. Good. So we came out after the penny and this combine on next move, and the last thing we do is grease the grease on it. Today I've got another older combine to film. It's a Claas Dominator 76. I think it's around 30 years of age, around about that sort of age. I've filmed it before, but never down at the Solway here, right next to the Solway Firth. It goes right round the corner and right through to England there. England's actually on the far side. So it's a wonderful day for a change. It's a wee bit windy down here, but you expect that. I expect the tide's just started to come back in there. So I've actually been given a little job. I've fetched the tractor and trailer back to the field. It's a long time since I've driven the tractor. I'll show you it once this other one's turned round. He's making a break. It's a wee bit twitchy down the bottom there, so he wants to get it when it's nice and dry. It's certainly go better that way. I've filmed in this farm a few times now, but never down here. So it's always good to have a new location, although it's still the same farm. And it's actually absolutely wonderful down here. So this is the 5th combine I've caught in the last 2 days here. 2 New Hollands and 2 Massey Ferguson, now a Claas. So most of the combines that I do video are actually Claas combines. Not very many Massey Fergusons or New Hollands in this area that I've found anyway. I'm now in Evan Hill near East Triggs, the rig. So here we have a site we don't see very often. We have 2 combines, 2 Massey Fergusons work together. That's quite an age. I filmed the far away one last year. And as far as I'm aware, this one here is try before you buy, from Justice-town down near Carlisle there. Now today I'm with Arthur Ritchie, and it's a New Holland TX63 that's combining today. And the location, we're down near Gretna, just on the Scottish-English border more or less. So I actually seen another combine which is just in another farm across the way. So here we have Arthur Ritchie. That's one of his workers is combining down here. I spoke to him earlier on. It's a CX760, and he's just cutting rid of that pole there. Hi, I'm now at Robert Hill. Just been speaking to the farmer there. Forgotten his name, Spence anyway. And I'm not going too near the combine, it's quite noisy. It's a New Holland TX65. I've been on that quite a few times in the past year. So it's Nigel Priestley that's the driver today. So just cutting this wee corner out then. It's Robin Spence, it's the farmer's name there. So I was just saying, this is really yesterday was the first really what you call a harvest day. I was just speaking to a young lad, he says it's okay to film him. It's Peter Cowan, it's on the combine today. So it's probably the first time I've caught Peter this year. Certainly going faster than the combine I was on yesterday, which was a Claas Dominator over 30 years of age or thereabouts. I think it's a Mercedes engine, as far as I'm aware. So there you go. I'm quite reluctant to go near the combine because I get stew in my eyes. My eyes are all red from yesterday. So I've just got to be very, very careful. So that's certainly some picture there of the combine. The water, the sand in England on the far side there. Anyway, once he's got round a wee bit, I'll go and let you see the tractor that I'm driving today. It's certainly one with not too many electronics on it, but I'm able to drive it, which is good. And it's the first time I've ever driven it, so I've managed to get to the field, get through the gateway safely, and the posts are still where they should be, which is good. So the combine's actually looking quite dark in the viewfinder. Can pull it in slightly, just the way the sun is. Anyway, I'll make that do just now. I'll go and have a look at the tractor here that I'm driving today. So the tractor I'm driving today is a 6150 two-wheel drive dyna shift on a B plate, a P plate rather, P, give us a P bob or whatever it is. Stop, do that again. Tractor is on a P plate. I'll go and have a look at the reg and let you see what's what. It's fairly tidy for its age. It's don't know how many hours it's done or whatever, but it's been here on this farm for quite some time, I would imagine.